What is up, guys? So today we are going to go over the problem strStr. It's a Leetcode problem and it involves two strings. So you've got haystack and needle. And basically what you want to find is the initial index where needle occurs in haystack. So in this example, needle is PE and haystack is dope. And your output will be 2 because the index where PE occurs in haystack is 0, 1, 2. Alright. Let's get into it. So, the first thing you should do is check if haystack or needle are null, or if needle is an empty string, then you would want to return 0. But I'm not going to write that stuff down just because I assume you should know that, and there are other things that you should check, just like edge cases. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is iterate through haystack. I'm going to do int I equals 0. I is less than, I'm not going to go through all of haystack just because that's unnecessary. I'm going to do haystack.length minus needle.length plus 1. So that's a check, and then it's going to be I plus plus. So if we get through this whole loop and don't find our index, we want to return -1. Alright? Alright. But hopefully we do find an index. So, what we first want to do is set some new, so at this point in the loop, we are checking a substring of haystack against needle. So I want to set some variable k equal to I. And then we're going to iterate through needle, or you could say the substring of haystack. So I'm going to say int j equals 0, j is less than needle dot length, and j plus plus. Alright, so now we want to check if haystack dot char at, which gets the char at a certain index, dot char at k equals needle dot char at, in this case it's j. If that's the case, then we want to also, at this point we see that the letters match up, but we want to check if we're currently at the end of needle and we have a successful match. So if j equals needle dot length minus 1, not needle dot length, because minus 1 you have to take that into account because index starts at 0. If that's the case, then we want to return I, because that's the starting index where the match occurred. And then here you just want to increment k, and in the else you want to break out of this loop, break out of this for loop, because in the else case we didn't find a matched letter, so there's no way that this substring could be equal to needle.